Okay, so we have another unboxing video today. Maybe more unwrapping because it's not in a box. I wonder what it could be. It's a Qi shirt. So you may have noticed that I haven't been wearing my Qi shirt lately, and there's a little bit of a story to that. I had an unfortunate situation where I ended up getting some blood stains on it. Not as dramatic as that may sound, and maybe in a future video, if it's relevant, I might let you know how that happened. But yeah, I ended up leaving it too long before washing it, and then I washed it several times, and the stains just kept showing up. But I liked wearing my Qi shirt so much that I got another one, and not just one, I got 2, 3. And you may be wondering, so you've ordered, or I've ordered 3 Qi shirts. Why did I get them all the same color? Because they come in all sorts of colors. Why did I get 3 red Qi shirts? It's actually quite appropriate, really, because, well, why would I choose 3 t-shirts the same color? Colors have quite a big influence on us. And red's quite good for me right now. Those of you with a bit of knowledge and understanding might be able to draw some interesting observations or conclusions for that, or maybe some guesses at least as to why that may be. But red's really quite a good color for me right now, so I thought, why not? I'll just get them all the same color, and that way I'm getting red like all the time. Or maybe not all the time, I'll wear other things, but I'll get lots and lots of red energy going on. Quite appropriate that this arrived today, because this week is the people doing the the Mysterious Qi course are experimenting with some different things with color, amongst other things, in terms of the character of energy. And in the Qigong meditation course, they're working with color this week as well. So, you know, red's not going to be for everyone, or not all the time. All the colors are good for us at different times. But, you know, if you can use color even in your clothing and other things as a way to influence your energy. And so if you want to do that with a Qi shirt, which I highly recommend, they're really quite stylish, there are a bunch of different colors available if it's a different color that's going to suit you. Anyway, another unboxing video. I don't know, probably most of you aren't here to see me unpack things, but more to talk about Qigong. But you see, it is relevant to Qigong. I'm only going to do unboxing videos if it has something to do with Qigong. Otherwise, you know, if I get some household appliance or something, I won't show you that. But this had some relevance, and I do have something else that I've ordered. It's probably a little ways away, that has some direct relevance to Qigong as well. So I think I'll probably show you the unboxing of that one too. But otherwise, don't worry. Most of the videos are still going to be talking about other different aspects of Qigong. Anyway, a little bit of a different video as usual. I hope to see you in the next one. And if you really like seeing t-shirts come out of a bag, like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of thing. Share it with other people, and catch you on the next one.